This tutorial review will show you how to find secret groups on Facebook. Secret groups are genuinely secretive by nature. You can't search for them or see their content. However, if the visibility setting of a private group is made searchable by the admin, you can search for the group. Type the group's name on that search box as you normally do, and the group will appear. But you will still need someone from the group to send you an invite to join the group. You cannot see the contents of a secret group without being a member. So here's how you can join a secret group and see its contents. Step 1. Get an invite to the group. Ask a present member of the group to send you an invite. Step 2. Check your notifications for updates. Keep checking the notifications to see if the group member really sent you an invite to the group or not. Step 3. Go through the group guidelines. Typically, the guidelines of any group are pinned right on the top of the page in the description section. Give it a read and see if you can abide by those rules. Step 4. Rules for new members. Some groups might ask you to introduce yourself through a post. Others might make you acknowledge that you have read and agreed with the group's guidelines. So follow these steps carefully to find and join into a secret groups on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.